what's going on? Jared Tones. I hope you all are well and in good health out there. So if you're new around here, let me introduce myself. I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this wondrous studio, the Jaren Emliger Studio. I'm excited for this video. Somebody requested this a little while ago, maybe like a couple weeks ago, and I said, why haven't I done this video yet? So I'm gonna get right into it. I love their voice, and they are killing in this song, so let's get right to this song. Here's Alex Newell singing Mama Will Provide from Once on This Island.
You never been away from the sea, child. You're gonna need a helping hand. A fish has got to learn to swim on land. Walk with me, little girl, don't you be afraid. Follow me, little girl, let me be your guide.
Follow me, little girl, let me be your guide. They really kind of opened up those vowels and really kind of get that tongue in there. Guide. You better sing, Alex.
Oh, a pretty thing like you. We'll need a thing or two, and whatever you need, Mama will provide. Mama will.
Got a little squall right in there. They are approaching this so aggressively, and I love it, okay?
The road, little girl, you may lose your way.
And they're also using a lot of lower lyrics to kind of drop jaw in the beginning here. You may lose your way instead of you may lose your way. They're really coloring it kind of warmer and darker and kind of using the drop lyrics and a more open vocal track. Lose your way. So it's kind of giving some more attitude and kind of a motherly sound to the song, if you will.
All alone in a world that may seem too
Mama's love. So they really dropped everything on lap. Mama's love. So really kind of came from a forward, more pingy spot. Mama's love. And really kind of yawned into that lap right there.
and I will draw 'em up, and whatever you need.
I like how they approach the draw 'em up instead of draw a map, draw 'em up, draw 'em up. So they're really playing with the dialect, obviously, of the song and really kind of playing with the articulation and the sound of the words and vowels as they sing through this, you know?
Mama will provide. I'll provide too. To soften the road. Rocks. To sit on. Trees. To sleep underneath. Sand. Fun for your toes. Plantain. To fill up your belly. To find your face.
To find your face. So they really played again with the vocal track shaping and really played with the placement, as some of us will call it. To find your face. So they're really playing with a lot of squalls, a lot of churchy nuances as they're singing through this song. But though it's not a church song, they use a lot of gospel undertones and a lot of gospel-ish type of stylings to render this selection, you know? Render a selection. That was churchy.
For making your bed.
Mosquitoes?
Birds will fly, little girl, and the night will fall.
Mama, mama.
All alone in the dark, you'll be terrified.
Mama, mama.
But you will make it through. 'Cause I am liking you, and whatever you need, Mama will provide.
You can hear kind of more of a compressed sound that they're making here. It's kind of like an undertone squall or growl. Whatever you need, Mama will provide. So it's really bright, really forward, a little compressed. And I mean compressed in like a bad way, like they're doing something bad. It's just a little more of a thicker sound, a little more of a pressed sound, but it fits here.
Yeah.
Mama will provide.
Hey. Ow, wow, 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 wow.
Mama will.
So they had a nice growl. Wow, wow, wow. Those false vocal folds are coming right together and that tongue is in there. So it's that growl. Not so much a squall, but a growl right there. Wow, 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 wow.
Mama will provide.
Let me say something. This song is not easy to sing. I've sung this song before. Actually, a lot of you may not know this, but I was on Once on This Island's like social media campaign for this song. I submitted my version of the song and I got on the video. Look at this.
I'm gonna provide. Whoa. Walk with me, little girl, and I'll take you far. Run this bend, little friend, I'll be by your side. Respect that mama's word to give a child the ear.
Ain't that cool? Most people don't know that I got on the video like that, but it was kind of fun to be on that video and kind of have, you know, my face and my voice on there. So again, I've sung this song before and it was not easy, okay? I mean, I did about 3 takes to that song, and about the 3rd take, I was like, okay, I'm done. I can't do no more takes. It's just so vocally demanding to sing this much, and they're doing it so well right here and using such a wide part of their range to render this selection. This song is hard to go from that low to that high and to navigate and still act and still give a character and a plot and all that kind of stuff. They're doing an awesome job.
To give her child the ear, and whatever you need, Mama will. Mama will provide.
That ending, provide. It is so hard to do, and they nail it each and every time, and it's so bright and present right there. You really have to use those breathing muscles to really sing that and to really anchor in and to really go for it, be aggressive, open up. And you notice their mouth was really, it wasn't provide. Everything, that high tongue, that twang, they used a lot of that as they were singing the song. Provide. You gotta use a lot of that as you sing this high intensity stuff to bring that voice up with all the intensity. If you want to keep in thicker folds and kind of keep more of a meatier sound but lessen the weight, open up that mouth, let that mouth be bright, maybe bring some twang in there. Provide, you know, like that. If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below. Then click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always continue to say to you, be vocally bold, creative and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, y'all. See y'all soon.